Maintenance is the leading external cleaning service in Scotland. Using hydro heat technology, we effortlessly clean any external surface, from conservatories to solar panels. We also provide you with a drone inspection, showing you from our 4K monitor the condition of your property. It goes without saying that any exterior surface is subject to the buildup of grime, being exposed to rainwater, wind, air pollution, birds and other wildlife. Not to mention just plain old wear and tear. Algae and moss growth, guano, mud, dirt, dust and discoloration. None of it looks good. We know you are proud of your property, which is why we promise only the very best results using hydro heat technology. Hydro heat is the very latest in cleaning technology. Heated, purified water dissolves dirt on impact and leaves crystal clear, dry results. It also removes algae from UPVC, glass, plastic and metal, bringing surfaces back to their original condition. Hydro heat rapidly dries onto surfaces, leaving no streaks, effortlessly achieving sparkling surfaces for your property. It also has no chemicals, so is great for the environment. We now also provide a cleaning service that is totally dedicated to meeting the needs of industrial and commercial clients. We clean shop facades, cladding, roofline, solar panels, windows, signage. We clean and maintain to a level that goes far above and beyond the expected standard, because your business is your livelihood, and nothing less than perfect will do. You won't believe the results we can achieve. Contact HM Maintenance today for more information.